Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Crazy Gamer. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to change graphic settings on eFootball. To change graphic settings on eFootball, first of all, launch the game open on your mobile device. Once you're in the home page, go ahead and tap on Extras at the top right corner. Inside Extras, tap on Game Settings. Now click on Graphics. From the graphics option, go ahead and select graphic option for player graphic or stadium graphic. Choose the graphic option that you would like to change. I'm gonna choose the stadium graphics. From the stadium graphics option, choose between high, standard or lowest. After making the selection, get back and then you can also change the player graphics. After making a selection there as well, you can get back to the game, and that's how you can easily change the graphic setting on eFootball. Now you are all set to enjoy smoother performance or sharper visuals your way. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.